Ria's day at home. Ria is a 10 years old girl. She is very bright and cheerful. Ria's mother is a doctor and her father a policeman. Both her parents are very hardworking and have been very busy helping people due to the corona epidemic. Ria is very proud of her parents. One morning, Ria wakes up to find that her daddy has already left for his duty and her mother is fast asleep as she had returned late night from the hospital. Ria is very hungry but does not want to disturb her mom. Our very smart Ria realizes that her mummy has kept some cut vegetables and bread in the kitchen and she decides to make herself a yummy sandwich. Ria gathers more ingredients from the refrigerator: ketchup, butter and cheese slices. Arranges them on the kitchen counter and keeps a plate too. Prepares sandwich on the plate using brown bread slices. Apply butter to the slices with a butter spoon. Applies ketchup and puts a cheese slice on one bread. Then adds cucumber slices and tomato slices above the cheese slice. Places the other bread slice on top of it all. Yay! Ria's sandwich is ready! Today, Ria has learned to be self-dependent. She can now make a tasty, healthy snack all by herself without using a knife, glass utensils, gas stoves, or burner or any hazardous material. We are glad to help children by empowering them. Make various nutritious food items for themselves. We envision our kids to be self-reliant and active. Another step towards value education. Watch out this space for something surprising. Edna Education Services Private Limited. Thank you.